Sticking with Tesla, here's how Tesla's solar roof fared against a hailstorm with baseball-sized hailstones. What a specific piece of content.
Yes.
It's so specific. Like, you're a Tesla fan, but you also kind of like Mother Nature or are interested in it. You're into weather. Hail, I always find hail to be, hail will get everybody's attention when that stuff starts coming.
The size of baseballs.
Man, that's a little bit terrifying. So what happened here?
Can you guess what happened?
Well, I would assume that they would have to take into consideration the potential of such a thing happening. So I'm going to guess that it fares fairly well.
So this happened in Texas.
Look at that. Okay, those aren't all baseballs. Probably some of the biggest ones were baseballs, but some of those are looking more like ping pong balls. But it's hail nonetheless.
Yeah, he kind of goes through the damage of his home without the solar roof.
Yeah.
And some of the sizes.
Oh, okay, cool. Wow. Hail is so strange. That stuff starts flying from the sky.
It was hailing for 30 minutes straight.
Crazy.
And he just wanted to film it all and see the outcome of how the solar roof would handle it.
Uh-huh.
And it went surprisingly well.
Yeah, it looks great.
Literally no hairline, cuts, no dents.
It looks amazing. I'm so jealous. I want that roof.
Mm-hmm.
Because I got the house going on, but I can't get in touch with anybody, especially in Canada. It's been hard enough to get it in the States. And it just looks so good. And it's also solar. And it's also durable. You don't have to replace it ever.
Yeah.
It's just... And roofs are already expensive that do nothing.
Yeah.
He
said it started charging right after the storm, like immediately. Everything was operational. I started looking into the materials of the roof. Apparently, it's made out of tempered glass. It's 3 times stronger than ordinary roof shingles, which is quite impressive.
Do you work for Tesla right now? Are you selling solar roof to everybody?
I'm getting one done right now.
It looks great. Yeah. I mean, good for them. That's fantastic. You don't have to worry about anything. If you can face the hail like that, I mean, what else is going to come at you?
It's a
what
great
else
test.
do you have to... Because even if you... Like, for example, a steel roof is expensive. It's an upgrade over just typical shingles. But a steel roof is going to be dented, most likely. At least... I mean, I don't know all the technologies that are out there, but certainly some mainstream steel roof technology is gonna take some dents probably from baseball size hail. I don't know.